Guys, this has to be one of the worst days of my life. We fucked up. That's how it's supposed to be. Not touching. You see right here, it's scratching, and this caliper is stuck right against the wheel. Ah! So there we have the Mustang just in the middle of the road. Right now, it is not. I can't drive. The caliper is literally stuck. It can't move. If I could move it with my hand. Guys, this has to be one of the worst days of my life. My phone is dead. The Brembos that I just installed, the brand new Brembos, are literally just scratched wholeheartedly. I don't even know how much money this is gonna take to fix. I just don't know, because I'm pretty sure we did it right. I mean, like, it was working for days, and I made it all the way out to Long Island, which is where I am. I think it's better if we just don't move, because I don't want to damage anything. So here is the brakes. You can see where it's touching. It's literally just flat against the wheel. Okay. And you'll get the car either towed there or get towed somewhere else. Okay. This is the best place, because it's not. You know what? Honestly, it's not the worst issue that could happen. So I'm just glad that, you know, everybody's safe. Yeah. I mean, if it is a screw, most likely the screw fell, because there's no way that screw stayed. But it's like my mind was telling me something. I was just like, yeah, this is not gonna work. But heading out, he's gonna get some pizza. Pizza. If you heard the noise the car was making, it was not like, it sounded terrible. It sounded really, really bad. I think everybody's staring at me right now. I'm like a spectacle. So there we have the Mustang just in the middle of the road. Listen, shout out all the people at Northport. I think that's the area. The tow truck also is going to give me a decent price, so I just have to really worry about just getting it fixed. So hopefully it's not going to be expensive. Hopefully, maybe it was my fault, you know, but ultimately I probably won't have my car for some time. Chad, if you're watching this video, it's your fault. I'm just joking. Well, honestly, it's not the worst that can happen. A lot of these things happen sometimes in the best situations. The reason why I say that is because literally I'm going to the track like next month. This could have happened at the track. This could have also happened on my drive over here. You know, both would be bad. I think ultimately the worst thing is that I didn't have a lot of wheel clearance, and these roads are very bumpy. So combine those together, it means that like the screw kind of just like fell off or jousted off, or I have no idea what it is. But ultimately we need to get this problem fixed. Hopefully the parts will be cheap, because I change out a lot of stuff. So I don't know. I don't even know, bro. I don't know. But hopefully it's gonna be okay. Hopefully. I'm pretty sure one screw is still in, so I don't know if that one just didn't have Loctite or something about that. But right now, ultimately, we're just waiting on John to come back. He's gonna come back with some pizza, and take this moment to look at this cinematic shots of my Mustang. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so I can actually get brakes. I don't know. Yeah. Ultimately, I'm not that upset. Like, I'm mad, but I'm not mad, you know what I mean? But yeah, we'll see. We got the tow truck coming. Said it's gonna be like an hour or so, whatever. Got John picking up pizza, and yeah, I just hope the repair isn't gonna be that expensive, because the tow, at least it's cheap. So I'm happy that the tow is cheap, because you know sometimes tows can be, you know what I'm saying. Lesson learned. I can't do brakes, but you know what? You live, you learn, and you take it to go another day. I don't know, something like that. But right now, I'm just trying to make it back home. But yeah, like what I said before, there's a lot of time and places where things could go wrong, and I'm at least happy I was with somebody that can help me and has connections in this area, you know what I mean? So yeah, and here comes John now. Hopefully he brought some pizza. Hey bro, you better have some pizza. Yeah, let's see.
How much all this cost?
How much?
$20.
All right, all right, that's good. Very serious.
Yeah.
Which one?
The right passenger.
What?
The passenger one, the passenger.
Oh, Hold on, you're cutting out. I can't hear.
I have barely any service. I'm not even gonna lie. It's the passenger.
Passenger front?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Did it? So wait, it came off and then did what? I can't see.
I can picture this. The car came off.
Shouldn't be. How the hell did that happen? Because we put Loctite on that.
Bro, we put Loctite on it. Oh, that's the truck. That's the truck. The tow truck. Yeah. Let's go. Wait, is he coming right?
I can't hear anything.
The tow truck is coming. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. Yeah. Yo, Chad, we gotta go, bro. The tow truck here. I'll talk to you later, bro.
All right, call me when you have signal.
All right, bye. Bet. Ah, man. It's a day. All right, let me show you, bro. Thank you so much for coming, man. I appreciate you.
No problem.
Thank you, bro. My name's Akeem.
Okay,
This caliper
came out golfing with me
just fell off. Caliper just clean fell off.
When was the brakes last done?
I just did them. I did them like last.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Well, why are you tying all the screws?
I
You didn't
think
tie
I
them up,
did.
Apparently.
Apparently.
That's what my dad said, but he said it a little less conspicuously.
Yeah, he did.
He's like,
He was like, who did the brakes? He was like, who he got to do it? I was like,
you
me.
know what my dad told me in Greek? He's like, you know Brett,
Uh-huh.
he's doing his own brakes.
Uh-huh.
I'll probably tell you, you're fucked up.
Like it's bad?
Well, if you lost the fucking bolt, it is, yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Because what it means is you did your brakes, you didn't tighten everything back up.
I'm pretty sure I tightened it because it wasn't just me.
Nope.
Well, you were on FaceTime with me tightening it, so you probably missed something.
I'll put it to you this way. If you tightened it up, it would have fallen off.
That's not ridiculous. That's not ridiculous to say that.
That's true. But the thing is, the other side didn't.
That means you tightened the other side.
I did this side. We did this side first. And then we did that
It's
side.
going to Miltner's in Greenlawn.
How far is
They
Greenlawn?
have it going to Centerport Automotive.
Yeah, that's what I told them.
All right, so bring it
Yeah.
to Bruce, yeah.
I don't care where you tow it, that's up to you. But
Yeah,
Yeah.
Centerport Automotive.
He thinks it would be better to go to the other shop, but that's what I told you. My
Centerport
bad.
Automotive is literally a walk from my house.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Yeah.
That's the one it's going to, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. You have the pizza, right?
Your car is going to be less than 1,000 feet from my house.
That's good. I'm happy to hear that.
I will literally,
I'll keep the key with you.
I will literally tomorrow take a beach chair and go sit in front of the shop.
Maybe I should just give you my credit card and you just be like, hey, just fix it. Because they're going to be closed right now, right?
Yeah.
So nobody's there? So I'm just parking inside of their shop, kind of.
Yeah, you being parked in the parking lot, just leave me your keys in the car and I'll take care of it.
Okay.
Is getting a tow to like Bratz or some shit? That's a $500 tow. Easy.
Yeah. That's why I said like the closest shop might be the best one, but I just hope they can fix it. That's the problem. Because like what he said, if the bolt does come out, like they have to find the bolt. They can't just like, and that's so fucking. The good thing is that I'm pretty sure that
What's that dude's
that guy passed around here 4 or 5 times. Each time he was an asshole. Like each time he came around here and just fucking gunned it. I'm like, I'm not doing this for my health. I'm stranded. All right, so we got the tow truck here. Oh, this shit is sad. This shit breaks my heart, bro.
Yeah, but now everyone trying to go that way can't go because that's the only way you could go.
Yeah. I mean, but it's better when reversed because then the wheel will roll that way and it's not gonna scratch. In drive, that's why I told you before, I had to go in reverse.
Send a picture of the wheel to my dad with the spec.
This is not the day I expected it to be. This is not the day I expected to have.
We had a fun day golfing.
Yeah, we had a fun
I
day.
dropped 3,200, take the service road home. The golf cart.
You know, I was telling myself in my head, I was like, oh, it's probably the golf carts that's making that noise. Like they're metal, they're bouncing around. No, they were not.
This car will be taken care of.
Thank you, I appreciate it. And if anything, I know you'll take care of it and you can drive manual, so that's good. That's why I said it's better to get stranded with somebody.
It's not even with my dad.
Yeah.
If they fix the brake somehow and get it up there and get a pin in
It shouldn't be too hard.
Bring it to fucking Ford.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard because that part, I'm pretty sure that part came off of my caliper. Like that part came off of my caliper, so it's not even like it's like a new, like only exclusive. Like it's just that, you know.
I'm so happy to take a piss when I get home.
I'm so sad.
You want to eat a home cooked meal?
I just want to get the pizza. I want to go home. I'm never gonna lie. I'm sad.
So we'll go to my house, eat.
Yeah.
Right? It
Yeah.
makes sense to eat at a table.
Yeah, that sounds good. It's literally touching it. Oh shit, you're right. It's just moving around.
Right?
Yeah. I never thought my car would get towed like this. Sad. It's a sad day. Let me say goodbye to the Mustang for a while. Gotta say goodbye.
Every time you come back to Centerport to see me,
I'm gonna be hella traumatized.
everyone's gonna remember you.
Yeah, for a bad reason.
Alright, I'll meet you guys over at Centerport.
Right.
Thank you. Tow truck. He's just bringing it here.
I'm like tight with Bruce. I live on Shawnee.
There's the car right there. Yo, John, look at this. It's no longer touching. You see that?
Yeah, because the wheels turn.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I know. That's not my car, right? The noise?
No.
My car's a hybrid, so it'll kick back on. It makes weird sounds.
No, I think it was the truck that we were hearing. Oh my gosh, my bumper fell off? Oh my God.
Kick that shit
Oh man. Oh boy. Honestly, it's not the biggest problem I have, so. Oh shit. So how did it? I don't want to scratch myself.
in. I saw it. Oh yeah. It went like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that fixable?
This is my baby, my Mustang, you know, so. God. Yeah, we didn't think you were gonna be here. Yeah.
And they were like, "Get us here." And I'm like, "You're awesome." It's like, "You're John." I'm like, "I'm John. I drive you to Fort."
It's so weird. It literally went right back after it got on the tow truck. Probably because it has some angle now, but hopefully the bolt's still in there. Hopefully.
I live right next door.
Oh, you live right next door? Oh wow, that's great. Oh. Do you have any other cars that you're gonna be working on?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that old.
Okay.
I don't think that would be
Okay. Hopefully not. Do you need like a credit card now or anything like that? Okay.
Car's fine. You just take the train back.
Yeah. Yeah, just take the train over here. It actually works out really good that I'm unemployed.
Me too.
But then again, if I was, I wouldn't be. All right, come on, baby. You can do it. Please, make it. Please make it for me, please. Please make it, come on. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yo, John, I think the bolt might still be there. because that's the only way it wouldn't be touching. You see? Like what? So to count the damages, we got a little bit damage on the front bumper, not too crazy. And ironically, the rotor went right back to where it belonged. Like, look at this, the rotor is right back to where it belongs. Like this, shout out the tow truck driver. He did a great job. The Mustang is parked and now we're going into Centerport Auto. Very clean shop, I like it. What's up, guys? We are all the way out here in Long Island, and luckily, you know, the car is in good hands. Shout out John, shout out John's family. You know, even though it wasn't the best situation, we're still able to get home and the car is in good hands. Now the caliper, we're looking at maybe like the screw isn't tightened on correctly, so if we could just get those pieces on for the bolt, and the car would be perfectly fine. So that's all we're gonna have to do, and then hopefully everything will be okay. But yeah, ultimately I was really scared, bro. I was scared. I thought my Brembos was gonna crack in half. So, you know, and as what people always say, things could always be worse, and this is a learning experience, so we're gonna take it and we're gonna move forward with it, you know. As of me, I'm gonna be on my way home on the LIRR. It's been your boy AR Car Views, and I'm out, bro.